Ah, good morning, people. We are on Tuesday, back from the holiday. Holiday was very good. I may put something out there on social media, just a few snippets that I took. As you can tell, my surroundings are a little bit different. Bed cover's the same, but yeah, it's a little bit different. We are in a when I say new lorry, I don't mean a brand new lorry, but we've changed vehicles. So the Mercedes is no more. Maybe going to the scrapyard, who knows? It's nothing to do with me where that's going. But we are in a new vehicle, so this week will be just sort of getting a feel for it, really. Actually like driving it so far. Any of you are wondering what it is, stick around and I will show you what we're driving, internally and external, as the video continues and goes on. We are currently in Coventry, heading down to Hemel. We've done one job this morning. We was in Redditch. We nighted out last night, got over to Redditch this morning, done a tip over to Coventry, and then Coventry down to Hemel, and then Hemel back to the yard in Berkshire. So we're ready to rock and roll. So I'll see you soon. Over and out for now. Dog's getting in here, is it? Fucking hell, it's going to be tight. Jesus, so much tech. Wow, this is busy. Not really what I wanted. Right, not what I wanted to do, but I'm going to have to do it. This is my new home on a permanent basis, apparently. Got myself a nice little, bought myself a little table. There, got myself a nice little table. Got the CB. And this is the super. I ain't set, as you can see, I've not settled in yet. Still doing it. There you go. Microwave. Got my inverter in there, which is banging on as we speak. Got my TV. Can't get it to work. I get it turned on, but I can't get it to work. It's all on there on well, the other guy used it, but I don't know if he's taken anything off or what. So yeah, it's all half leather. Got a fridge, got a huge storage. Bed mattress on this bed is brilliant. Yeah, having a good day, and that's my switch for my inverter. I'm going to turn it off now because I don't need it. Hey guys, how we doing? So we have had a bit of a manic week. We've had a letdown on the cameras. Still a bit dodgy. I'm not sure if it's going to record all the way. Keeps cutting me off. So Monday, I think we know what happened on Monday. We know the work we've done on Monday. I think I recorded on Monday, so that was all good. Tuesday, again, I think we know what happened on Tuesday, so I'm going to pick up from Wednesday. So Tuesday night, gets back Wednesday. So Wednesday, pretty much a day from hell. So I had to go to Trafalgar Square on Wednesday. Getting in and out of London is not a problem. It really isn't. Okay. So I had to be at Trafalgar Square for 8 AM. There's 2 delivery points. Delivery point A is at the top. Delivery point B is at the bottom of Trafalgar Square. They tell me I need to go to the top. So I drive to the top. And when I get to where, for those of you that know London, when you get to Haymarket, from Haymarket to the top of Trafalgar Square, where the Canadian Embassy is, it's about 500 yards, at most 500 yards. About 25-30 minutes to get from there into the entrance. So I get into the entrance, I've opened the curtains on the lorry, because the guy said, yep, this is it. Definitely need all this off here. I pulled all the curtains back, started taking a few bits off, and he goes, oh no, we've got the wrong lorry. So we've got 2 lorries on the job. The other lorry's at the bottom because I'm at the top. They told me to drive forward. Now if you imagine driving in at the top of the Canadian Embassy and you're driving across Trafalgar Square, so that on your left is the Art Museum, you come to the Strand and you have to turn right to go back to the roundabout to come back on yourself to go into Trafalgar. That's what I had to do. That took me over an hour. I go in, I open the curtains. As we're unloading, someone goes, no. These here have to go to the top part. Go round the street the wrong way, get escorted. Takes 50 minutes to get there. Back to where I started from, where it all got took off. So anyway, again, when I'm exiting, I have to come out of Trafalgar, turn right and onto the roundabout. Well, they built something in the way of the exit, so I had to reverse back out towards Haymarket. And the traffic was gridlocked. I had to wait 20 minutes for a space to reverse with banksman, and then an hour and 10 minutes to get round the bend and onto the roundabout so I could go down the mile, not the mile, Whitehall, to get out of town. I got to Staines for about 3 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock, left there about 4 o'clock, got back about 6, day finished. Then yesterday was a good day, a really good day if I'm honest. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show any videos or anything like that because I wasn't allowed to take videos. I was not allowed under any circumstances to take any photos. So I went to Portsmouth yesterday and we had an offload from the HMS Queen Elizabeth. As I say, I can talk about it, but I can't show anything because I couldn't take pictures, and I was gutted because it would be so good to have seen and to show my audience. But it is what it is. So basically, picture the scene. We're there, we're next to the ship, and it's all coming off via crane and then coming straight onto the lorry. We had 3 lorries there, a lot of crew, getting it all on. I had 2 drops, one in Uxbridge and one in Birmingham. So I'd done the Uxbridge, tipped the Uxbridge for 5 o'clock, made my way to Birmingham, had a night out in Birmingham, tipped there first thing this morning, went to Telford for a collection, and I have the collection on the back of my trailer now. It's for a delivery that I'm personally doing on Sunday, going into London XL. So that's been the week. It's been busy, it's been good. I've really enjoyed the week as far. It's my first week back after going on holiday, so I needed something like this to sort of, you know, not to get me motivated, because that happens anyway, but just get me busy. I just want to be busy. Sorry I've not been able to show too much, but the cameras have been broke. They're still not 100% right now, but we are trying. I say we, it's only me trying anyway. I am trying to sort of rectify the problem, but I turn one on, the other one turns off, so I don't know what's going on there. They're sort of doing each other. As soon as you turn one on, the other like, nah, don't want to work. So, you know, I don't know what the problem is. I'll have a look over the weekend if I get a chance. Other than that, guys, look, it's been an absolute pleasure. It really has for this week, doing this sort of work. It reminds me of what I used to do when I was tramping. I could do a bit more tramping. I love it, but it is what it is, and I take what I can get. So I hope you all have a great weekend, and if you are new to the channel and you have watched but you haven't yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button. You will not believe how much it really helps out the channel. It does, and it means a lot. And not only that, you'll be notified as and when I release my my content, which is basically pretty much every Sunday. So until then, guys, from me, Lee from Lee's Trucking, it's over and out for now.